Hey there, I'm Rita Bearcat, and today is day 7 of art journaling challenges. And today I started off on a page that I had started before, and this is something that I do sometimes when I am kind of in a creative slump. I kind of take a page and just make little squares and try different techniques, things that I haven't tried before, or just trying different things in a very small space. And so these little boxes are just different ideas of just weird little things that I can try. And then if I really like it, then I can try it somewhere else in another page. And so this is day 7 of 30 days. And if you've missed some of the other challenges that I've done, some of the other days, you can go back and watch some of those other videos. I'm doing this because I have given, I'm giving 30 days of art challenges to my subscribers on my newsletter. And if you're interested in getting those 30 art challenges, I would be happy to send it to you. I'm going to put the link below and I will send that to your inbox. Now, you don't have to do it publicly like I did. I'm doing that because I'm trying to hold myself accountable. And so I thought I would do that publicly here on YouTube. So what I'm doing now is my thought process here is, okay, I'm going to put these little blocks, now that I did this little weird little thing with these blocks and I've got all these cool little designs. Okay, how do I make it cohesive with the rest of the journal, and how do I make it look like a design instead of just these weird little floating boxes? So I'm marking the outline of the boxes because I'm going to make the background black. And so those boxes are going to be super bright and really pop off the page with a black background. And so, yes, I'm going to go over it with paint. But I figured a marker is the easiest way to go and get nice straight lines with a ruler, just so that butted up against all of those textures and different types of paste and different mediums, because I have lots of different mediums that I use there in those little boxes. I just want to make sure that those lines are super duper straight, because otherwise it's going to look really sloppy. And so I want that black to really, really be super dark, juxtaposed against those vibrant blocks. Now I'm working in the medium journal from my shop. I have these journals in my shop that are handmade in the USA, and we sew all of our journals. They're not glued together or anything like that. They are sewn. So they're sewn in signatures, and if you know anything about that, that means all of those pages, and you can see right there, they're sewn in the center. They lie flat when you are working in your books, which is really nice. They're a really decent size. So a medium journal is 6x9. There's lots of pages. They have an elastic loop on the outside to keep those pages nice and safe. In the back, there's a zipper pouch for all of your markers or paintbrushes, whatever you want to stick in there. And it has a cute little pocket on the inside front, and it has canvas pages that are lined, and it has mixed media paper pages as well. And so right now I'm working on paper pages. And so the past 7 journal pages I've been working on have been paper. Only because before that it seems like for the longest time I was working strictly on canvas, so right now I'm on a paper kick. So probably next I'll have to go to a canvas, I guess, because I'm working on paper a lot. So I'm using a black acrylic paint here. I wanted something that was going to be thick enough to cover all of those mediums, because every single one of those blocks has, just all types of different textures. And all of those blocks were not done all in one setting. They were done in several settings. Actually, some of those blocks were done on a Mixed Media Monday. Every Monday night, I'm on Facebook. I do live episodes on Facebook. We call them Mixed Media Monday. If you don't know about that, I am there on Rita Bearcat 1, live on Facebook, and we do Mixed Media Mondays. And so Mixed Media Mondays are like live tutorials, or sometimes we show new products or a demo or a project, or just whatever's new or a new product. But it's really fun because people get to ask questions live, and I answer them. I'm able to answer them right on the spot, which is really nice. So after this, I do end up adding a couple of words on there, which you'll see later. I do show the words on the pictures, and I'll show those really quickly. But if you'd like to get these art challenges in your inbox, you can sign up to my newsletter below. I will put the link there. This is how it looks once it's dry. And here are the words that I added later. Good times. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you check out some more videos, and I would love to see you take the challenges. So subscribe to my newsletter, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.